What's up guys, in today's video I'm breaking down a setup that looks prime for a huge reversal. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I'm scaling in here, the key levels I'm watching, and how this could push towards that $20 zone soon. If you want full access to all my entries and exits, you already know it's in the link below. That's where I post real time inside the Discord. Now let's get straight to the video. So looking at the chart here, you can see Webull has been consolidating inside this tight range for months between roughly $10 and $15. And recently it's been showing signs of life again. Now here's what's important. This setup is extremely oversold. We're talking about a setup that's been beaten down way beyond fair value. What I'm doing personally and what I think makes sense here is scaling into long-term expirations while it's quiet. Because once it starts pushing towards that $20 zone, you're gonna see all the people who sold too early start chasing once again. They always do. It happens every single time, same pattern, same psychology, and based on the way volume is building and momentum shifting, I could easily see this pushing towards $20 in the next few weeks if we get continuation through resistance. And here's another thing that caught my eye. Calls are outpacing puts right now. That's a good sign of shifting sentiment, especially after a long consolidation. Smart money starts positioning quietly before the retail crowd catches on. And yeah, I personally use Webull, so it's kind of ironic seeing their own stock looking this attractive right now. A quick note for newer traders, the recent dip we've seen today, that's what's called a liquidity grab. Market makers will push the price down just enough to trigger everyone's stop losses, scare out retail, and pick up cheaper shares only to reverse it right back up. It's a strategy as old as the market itself, and you can see it play out perfectly here on the chart. That's why you don't panic during these pullbacks, you plan ahead. Key levels I'm personally watching is the support, $11.80 to $12. That's your main demand zone. You then have resistance, which is $15.20 to $16. A break above that opens the door for a run to 18 and beyond. My major target, like I mentioned earlier, is 20 plus. That's where I see this heading within the next few weeks as momentum builds. This setup checks every box: oversold conditions, liquidity grab, heavy call flow, and a clean accumulation base forming. All it needs now is time. Scaling smart, stay patient, and remember, the biggest moves always come after the consolidation phase when most traders have already lost interest. Webull is on track to hit my personal price target just like Path did. We scaled in early and we're already up 100% profit in just 3 days. This is why I post my entries and exits. You want to be able to catch these moves before the crowd starts to rush in. By the time these setups hit all your favorite Furu scanners, we're already sitting well over 100% profit, similar to when we played RGI, APLD, Alibaba, and many more. If this helped you see the setup differently, drop a like, comment your thoughts below, and don't forget to subscribe for more breakdowns like this every week. I'll see you guys in the next video.